What's going on, boys and girls? Biker Dave here in the shop. Got a new product to show you guys. If you are tired of buying windshield washer fluid for your car, yeah, it doesn't cost that much. You know, a couple bucks. You get it in that gallon jug. But you start accumulating a bunch of gallon jugs. Yeah, they're handy to have because you can refill them, or you can, put waste oil and things in them. So it's nice to have. But if you're tired of doing that and you would like to make your own washer fluid in bulk, this would be really handy if you have several cars, or maybe you work for a, repair shop or something, and you want to just have washer fluid on hand. This little bottle right here, and I'll have a link down below where you can get it. This is a bottle of 8 ounces of concentrate. This little bottle can make 55 gallons of windshield washer fluid. Yeah, pretty awesome. Now, there are a couple of catches to this. As you can see, it is blue. It is very blue. It is so blue that if you don't wear gloves when you're handling this bottle and dispensing it, it will turn your fingertips blue. It'll turn your hands blue. I had to scrub my hands with contact cleaner and WD-40 and all kinds of stuff for quite a while because all I did was hold the bottle for a little bit while I was dispensing it. It turned my skin completely blue. So, tip number 1. Make sure you are wearing some sort of gloves when you handle the bottle. Alright? Now, show you a little close-up of it there. Nifty stuff. It's called QWC55 Biodegradable Windshield Washer Fluid Super Concentrate. Alright? All you need is 1 tablespoon of this to 1 gallon of water. So it doesn't need much. Alright, so let's say you got a nice size jug like this. I'm just going to use an empty Simple Green jug. I've already made some, as you can see. Alright, the problem number 2. When you try to pour out of this little bottle, it does not pour nicely. Let's say you got your little spoon right here and you're trying to pour into it. It dribbles all down the side of the bottle. That is a fail on this bottle right here. So I had to come up with some way to make it easier. So here's what I did. All right, now it does have a little cover inside the cap there. Take that little guy out. Now, with any small drill bit, little bitty drill bit, drill you a hole in the top of the cap. Teensy little thing, doesn't have to be much. All right. Now you'll be able to dispense it. Don't forget to use your gloved hand. You'll be able to dispense it, and it will actually, spout out of its little cap into your measuring device. Look at it. All I did was touch it like there, and it's already gotten on my hand. Ridiculous, right? So, be very careful with this stuff. Don't let it get on your clothes. It's basically some kind of dye. Anyway, so let's say I want to dispense a tablespoonful into this little jug right here. With my little hole drilled into my cap, notice it'll pour out, and you can pour it slowly also. So there's some right there in the spoon. And then you pour it down in your container, add your water to it, and bada bing, bada boom, off you go. If you don't use some sort of cap, though, that is easy to pour in, let me pour it back in here, it makes a mess, and you waste a bunch of it. So that's my best tip for you. Look how it stains the spoon. Also, you have to immediately rinse the spoon. So, It's not without a little bit of a catch. But, you know, like I said, it is awesome for, you know, for if you have several cars in your driveway or whatever. You know, this is a 2.5 gallon bottle right here, and all I needed was 2.5 tablespoons basically to fill that whole thing up. Totally awesome. And but yeah, so just it only has a couple of catches to it. Whatever. Anyway, I'll put links down below where you can get it. And make sure you scan through our channel. We got all kinds of cool stuff. You know, like here's the most recent AMA motocross race. You know, we try to put those up as often as we can. Unfortunately, we're going to be out of town soon, so we're not going to be able to do this coming weekend's race. But we will put it up. It just won't be as prompt as you know, as we'd like it to be. But whatever, we got to take a little vacation every now and then as well. Got a helmet for sale. See our previous video. Got this awesome Alpine Star M8 SuperTech helmet. It just has a little scuffing on the top of it there. Got a previous video on that. I'm now wearing the SuperTech M10, which is totally awesome. Really great helmet. It's even better than the M8, as well as the Liet 3.5 chest protector and the Liet GPX 5.5 neck brace. I know you can't see too well, but anyway, I just wanted to give some props to that stuff. And I wanted to welcome some new paying members. We have 2 Todds now, as well as Ryan and Krista. And so if you see a join button beneath our video or next to the subscribe button underneath any of our videos, if you click that, you can choose between a few different subscription options. I know people's having to subscribe to all kinds of stuff these days, but we really put a lot of work into our channel, and we try to post really good stuff and helpful things, as well as entertainment value, and it's very time consuming. You know, and a lot of equipment is involved, expensive equipment. You know, a lot of things are involved to do what we do. So, you know, we really appreciate it if you can throw a little subscription our way, or you can just see a PayPal link, you know, in the comments or in the description of any video of ours. You know, it doesn't have to be much, but any little bit you can throw our way helps a great deal. And if you have signed up as a member, make sure you contact us via email so that we can send you a little swag. You know, we got calendar, some decals, t-shirt. We got a few things we're going to send to the new members. So if we send you an email through a comment here, make sure you write us back via our email address that we'll post. You know, because it's kind of hard to get in touch with people via YouTube unless they have videos posted. If they don't have videos, then it's kind of hard to find you guys. So make sure you find us, and we'll hook you up with some stuff from our own channel sponsors. Anyway, that's it. Pretty awesome. Yeah, Lakewood, Colorado on the channel there. We got that from a few days ago, so make sure you look for it on our channel. All kinds of cool stuff. And once again, we will post a link where you can get this messy but awesome super concentrate for making windshield washer fluid. And Biker Dave signing off. Y'all have a great day. We'll see y'all later.